Something we try to take the stress out of is tropical season, hurricane season. And in your tropical overview, there is something we are watching very closely. That is this area of 40% chance. So that's a medium chance of development over the next 7 days there in the southwestern Gulf. What does that mean for us? Well, we're going to see tropical moisture come up. Rain chances are going to go up, and there's going to be high surf and a high rip current risk. Dangerous rip currents are going to be possible as well. So going to the beach, not the best idea. There could even be some coastal flooding with the longer periods in between the waves, the higher waves. But right now, this is our moisture. It's not necessarily tropical right now, but we've got steady flow coming off the Gulf of Mexico, which is leading to some spotty rain showers into this afternoon. High pressure keeps us dry over the weekend, but as it slides off to the east, that tropical moisture starts to come up. We see that deep green there in the southwestern Gulf as a low tries to develop. That moisture going to be funneled up across the Texas coast. Some of the deepest moisture could stay just to our south, but a lot of it depends on just how broad or how tight that low pressure gets in the coming days. So the higher resolution modeling will get a better grip of that as we head into the weekend. But for now, what we do know is high pressure sets up. We get a few spotty showers today, possibly on Friday, but Saturday is looking fairly dry. Sunday is going to be dependent on a front that lifts north, and that's going to be the kickoff to that moisture coming up across the Texas Gulf Coast. As we take a look south where that system is developing, again, the tighter this low gets, the more heavy rainfall stays around that low, and less of it will be pushed up into Texas. So there's a couple of caveats to the forecast, but right now it does look like we'll at least see that tropical moisture. And when it comes to tropical moisture, that does tend to lead to pockets of heavy downpours that could produce some higher rainfall totals, especially if you do get in on one of those kind of bands of showers that just sets up. But the rainfall goes up to about 50 to 60% as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. When it comes to our wave forecast, waves are staying pretty low as we head into today and tomorrow. But over the weekend, the action starts to pick up. We get that southeast wind, some stronger wind heading into Monday, and then it's really Tuesday into Wednesday when we get some dangerous surf. Those waves just off the coast, forecasting 8 to 12 feet. So that's some dangerous conditions out to sea. Sunset's going to be 8:27. We do have a chance for some tropical funnels today. We will be watching the high tide forecast as we head into next week as well for some coastal flooding. Packery Channel water temperature nice and hot. That's one of the reasons why the Gulf is steaming for some tropical activity right now. Overall, our wind stays light today. That's why we do see that low chance of some tropical funnels. And then as we head into next week, more thunderstorms likely with that tropical moisture in place. Cooler temperatures, but until we get there, watch out. Heat index values are still around 110.